What if I told you you can earn dollars by staking crypto coin that freely collected through Telegram? You are definitely saying it's another scam, right? Then watch full, you will get a clear vision about this project. And also, I am showing the withdrawal proof with date in the end of the video. In this video, we will discuss about what is Litmex, how much token on air, how to join, how to earn free Litmex tokens, any investments needed, how to withdraw dollars. If you want to jump on specific topic, I included timestamps, but I prefer watchful for understanding the whole concept. So let's go. Litmex is a futuristic crypto project which includes prediction markets, crypto gaming, AI agents, and NFTs all in one platform. And it built on one of the fastest blockchains, Solana, and it is the main positive side of this project. They are coming with 30 different concepts, all are available in Litmex white paper. And also the coin listed in Dex wallet of big exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, and now it hit $0.09 in few months. The main idea is simple. Instead of placing bets yourself, you can own AI agents as NFTs. These agents analyze markets, execute strategies, improve over time, and you can even be traded or rented. Everything runs on LMX tokens. The team generated 1 billion tokens. They divided the tokens for community, pre-sale, liquidity, etc. And the happy part is they distribute 15 crore tokens for community people who came through from Telegram, which means 15% of whole tokens giving to the miners. That's a good sign. Okay, now let's go to how to collect tokens. Two methods are available, free method and paid method. Free method is collecting through Telegram as an airdrop. I'll show you the full process in this video. The paid method is buying Litmex coin through pre-sale. Yes, the coin already started pre-sale program. Now current Dex wallet price is $0.09 and you can buy on 0.03 through pre-sales. If you have fund, then you can buy tokens through their site and company, providing many advantages for pre-sale buyers. I'll discuss this later, and if you want a detailed A to Z explanation video, let me know in the comments. For earning free tokens, you have a Telegram account and the app should be in blue color. Black didn't work. Then join through the link I provided in my bio. Tap the link and launch the bot. Then receive a OTP message in pop-up or check the chat of the bot. It will appear there. Then enter the OTP, tick this box, then verify, then tap confirm. You are successfully activated Litminer bot. Congratulations, you officially started mining by tap this button. Once you tap the button, it collects 6 coins every 8 hours, which means 18 coins daily. And you have to tap this button in every 8-hour intervals. But now you can get only 15 coins per day because of new members have to treat well, and it will decrease again in future. So early join is the sweet spot of any project. But don't worry about the amount of coin because they have a referral program which is insane. You get a unique referral link, and if you add anyone through your link, you get 10 level income, which means if you add a member directly through your link, you get 10% of their earnings. And if they refer another person under him, you get 6% of their income. You will get 10 layers of income. It is a good opportunity, but don't worry about, you can't get so much referrals because still you can do the mining every 8 hours. I think I cover the free mining part. Now let's go to the investment part. Don't skip early because you don't need to invest and still you can collect free coins through mining and referral income. But there are some advantages when you invest in it. I will show you the profit or proof that I withdraw to my account in the end of the video. The investment plan, also known as upgrades. First upgrade costs $25 and the benefits are you can access auto mine, you can stake, and you can earn dollars. Let me explain you. Early you're doing mining by tapping 8-hour intervals, right? But when you upgrade by $25, you don't have to tap the bot automatically mining the coin for you. So you don't need to check in manually. And the main part is you can also access staking by this $25 upgrade. Yes, you can stake your mined coins and earn a 0.05% of your current coin's market value, and it gets daily, and they using compounding method here, which means now you getting daily 18 coins, right? Then you can stake the 18 coins every time you mine and can stake every day. So how much coins you stake? The coins compounding day by day, and it helps to increase the amount of dollars. Yes, these dollars are the staking reward. So the more you stake, the more you get in dollars, and it can withdraw to your wallet when the reward hit $2. But there is another method to earn dollars, and that is through referral program. Do you remember about 10 layer coin income? That same process applicable here. Let me show you. If your referred member upgrade with $25, you get 10% percentage, it's $2.5. And if a person under him upgrade to $25, you get $1.5. So you can refer any amount of people you can. So it's unlimited rewards. But still you want to earn more coins, then there is another upgrade plan. And before, I want to inform that you don't invest early. First, you do the free mining without any investment and study the project and process well. When you trust the project, you can upgrade with $25. Then you get dollars by staking and you can withdraw to your wallet. So then you have your own trust and your experience is the proof. So you can take a better decision. Always apply this study process in every project or investments. The next upgrade is $50 investment plan. Before that, there is a limitation on $25 plan. You only get double profit in return, which means the $25 upgrade limited at withdrawing $50. But still, we can get extra $25 in profit. So it's a good news. That's why company come with the more you invest, the more you can earn. Okay? Now let's go to $50 plan. Let me explain you. If you upgrade to $25, you can still only get 18 coins daily. But if you upgrade with $50, you can get another 18 coins, which means you get 36 coins. Then you do another upgrade, it's 54 coins. And the crazy part is you can upgrade as much as you want, or you can, and still you get the double profit. When you upgrade $50, your withdrawal limit is $100. And if you upgrade $100, your limit is $200. But you don't worry about the limitation, because when a member under your referral upgrade their plans, you get the dollars commission. So you can still earn dollars without any limitations. And also, referral earning don't have any restrictions. It means it's unlimited earnings. This is the proof video that I'm withdrawing dollars to my Trust wallet. I have $4 tapping the withdraw, giving Trust wallet dollar receive address and typing the amount. Then the withdraw process activated. Note these dates. Early I withdrawed $21 and the date is June 9. And look at the Trust wallet history. Okay, the $4 is still processing and the date is June 16. Then, exact 22 minutes later, the amount is received on my Trust wallet and you can still check the dates. I am showing the dates because of you don't have to leave this great project. Just a simple reason that you don't believe this coin. So I think you have the full capability to take decisions and you can still collect free coins without any investment. So it's all up to you. I think I cover some of the major parts of this project. Some features are still we need to discuss, but this video is already lengthy. So if you want a detailed video about Litmex, then comments your feedbacks and doubts. So that's all today. If you need updates and news about Litmex or any other projects, I provided my Telegram link in bio, and consider subscribe this channel if this video is helpful. So always remember, every coin here counts.